The job is almost done. So what is just remaining is just the entrance of the gate, just the front borderline. So there's some precaution that we do take concerning the edge of the concrete. We normally dig ground and bury the edge inside the ground, so that to avoid breakage on the mouth of the concrete. Another thing is concerning the rail. You can see just now that we are putting the rail. I put the rail by myself. So supposing this rail wall had been installed before we started our job, this would not have been the level. It had been so deeper than this. So, and when your rail is buried inside the ground, automatically you have to reconstruct the rail again so that it will come up. We have done it so many sites that the gates have been installed before we started our job. So now another precaution is you don't hit your concrete to the body of the rail, because the last discharge of water will be trapped on the rail. So whereby always water will be gathering in the front of your gate. So by the time we are through, you will see it. I still make video on how the last drop of water will be discharged. You leave a little gap between under the rail to the front floor, so that the smallest water, the last drop of water will discharge to the outside gate. So it almost the whole compound is done by this evening. We will start the washing of the floor. So by tomorrow we start on the polishing. Though the client had a limited quantity of polish, he said he just need us to polish only the front. So like this, all these open places, that's how you want it. You want it to be open. But the reason I have to block all these places so that the rain doesn't carry the concrete. That's why I have to block this place as well, so that any water that comes to the gutter will just flush out. So you fill it with sharp sand or white pebbles too. So our work is almost done. What is just remaining is just the polishing. I have to start the washing this evening when the front gate is already dried. All these places will be open like this. This is how it will be. I have to fill it with sharp sand. That is choice. Fill it with sharp sand or white pebbles. So everything is set. By tomorrow, we see the end products of our floor.